Noise in industrial settings, especially from belts and chains, impacts operation efficiency and worker health. Technological advancements help mitigate these effects, but gaps remain in understanding and reducing noise. Studies have explored noise reduction in heavy machinery and the design alterations in continuously variable transmission chains and synchronous belts to control noise. Other research extends beyond noise, exploring efficiency and safety in operations involving belts and chains, and global initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative offer insights into innovations and environmental impacts in this field. Addressing noise and enhancing operation efficiency remains a complex, multifaceted challenge. Noise pollution from belts and industries affects worker health and operational efficiency. Heavy-duty machinery and CV chains are particular noise sources. Studies identify a need for better noise reduction technologies and comprehensive insights into factors influencing noise from synchronous belts and conventional elevators. Beyond noise, challenges include food safety concerns from contaminated conveyor belts and the need for innovations to realize the Belt and Road Initiative's full potential. Other issues involve carbon emissions, power cable safety, and challenges in downstream processing and fermentation, illustrating the broad, complex challenges associated with industrial belts and chains.